Hey there, welcome to Decor Luxe Haven. Let's dive into dreamy outdoor kitchen ideas that'll totally elevate your backyard vibes. Step into this serene outdoor kitchen oasis, where nature meets modern design. With wooden accents, lush greenery, and sleek concrete countertops, this space is perfect for hosting or unwinding. Natural light pours in through wide windows, blending indoor luxury with outdoor tranquility. Create your dream outdoor kitchen and elevate your lifestyle. Experience seamless indoor-outdoor living with this stunning kitchen design. Featuring rustic wooden beams, sleek open shelving, and lush greenery, this space creates the perfect harmony between modern elegance and natural charm. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors flood the room with light, making it a sanctuary for cooking, dining, and relaxing with loved ones. Transform your backyard into a tropical retreat with this open-air kitchen. Featuring natural wood accents, concrete countertops, and a built-in grill, it's designed for effortless entertaining. Surrounded by lush greenery and shaded by a rustic roof, this space offers the perfect balance of functionality and tranquility for outdoor dining experiences. Looking to elevate your outdoor vibes? Check out this tropical-inspired kitchen oasis. The rustic wood beams, lush greenery, and sleek concrete counters scream relaxed luxury. Perfect for hosting backyard BBQs or sipping cocktails at sunset. Who wouldn't want this dreamy setup? Bring that paradise feel home today. Transform your outdoor space into this tropical masterpiece. A sleek concrete countertop, warm wood cabinetry, and lush greenery create the perfect blend of style and function. The cozy bar stools and built-in grill make entertaining a breeze. Ready to turn your backyard into a paradise? This is your dream setup. Can we talk about this stunning outdoor kitchen? Minimalist open shelving, warm wood tones, and modern concrete vibes create the perfect balance of style and function. The natural light and lush greenery take it to the next level. Cooking and entertaining in this space? Total dream. Who's adding this to their wish list? Thanks for hanging out at Decor Luxe Haven. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more stylish inspo.